Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charlene. This is my first video on YouTube. We are going to be doing the get to know me video, so you guys can know me better, and I can get to know you guys. Okay, so I did post on my social media platforms and asked you guys. However, back, you're not gonna stay here long. I asked you guys to send me in some questions that you guys wanted me to answer on this video. All right. Question number 1. Okay, how old are you, guys? I am 24 years old. Okay, I'm 24 years old, but I am gonna be turning 25 this year. But even though I still think I look 16, okay, we look 16. Okay, so yeah, we 24, turning 25 this year, but with the soul of 16 years of age. Okay, alrighty. Number 2, question number 2. How's married life? Honestly, married life for me personally, I feel like it's very awesome. It's a beautiful thing. Like sometimes I often wonder why I didn't why. I often wonder why I did not get married sooner than the time I got married, because me and my husband we go way back. So we go way back in the days. Like we go way back in the days. He used to tell me like, shit, I will marry you, I'm gonna marry you, and he used to he used to talk about marriage when we was young, like back in 2012, type of thing. And honestly, anybody that knew me then, like 2012, 2015, 2016, marriage, no. I used to think marriage was not for me. And honestly, a lot of us tend to say that marriage is not for us. But literally, when you find the right person, they honestly get to change your point of views on marriage. So I can honestly say that my husband literally after giving it a thought, after trying for so many years, we finally I finally he literally finally opened. He really got me started to think about marriage. And then I started thinking about marriage, but I wasn't literally I was not thinking about marriage with anybody else, but marriage with him. And honestly, it's been the best decision, one of the best decisions that I've ever made in my life. And I would do it again over and over and over again, because honestly, everything has been do we have our ups and downs? Yes, okay. Every relationship has the ups and downs. But when you have, it's very easier when you can honestly communicate with your partner and let them know how you feel. When you guys have already worked on your communication, your communication skills. Okay, y'all get what I'm trying to say. Who asked this question? Who asked this question? You're not serious. You are not serious about that life. This one asks, do you really love your husband? Really? I know I say ask me questions for my YouTube, but this one are common sense now. Why would I marry somebody I don't love? Why would I marry somebody I don't love? Matter of fact, why would I bandage? Marriage is wow. It's a lifetime, it's for better, for worse. So I hope you guys understand that concept. It's for better and for worse. Okay, let's get that. Why would I marry somebody that I don't love, and on top of that, I have a kid, have a beautiful baby with them? Like, honestly, people, y'all don't make sense. Okay, y'all. I don't want to say y'all can ask me questions, but like, whoever asked this one was stupid. Now, let me answer your question. Yes, I love my husband. You see that man? You see that one? We died there. That one, we died there. That's my husband. That's my husband. Okay? We died there. Hey, we're not joking. There's no joking. That's my husband. We died there. We died there. That's my daddy. That's my daddy, my husband. Listen, everything. My boo, my shivering, okay? Everything. We died there. Listen, oh my goodness. My husband. Oh. That man. That man is everything to me. You don't understand. I think you guys get the points. Y'all get the points, okay? Question number 4. Is it number 4? I think it's number 4. What color is your room? Oh my god. Honestly, the color of my room. The color of our room it's just white. It's plain white. Yeah, it's plain white. It's basically like, yeah, it's plain white, like this kind of right here. Are we ever gonna color our room? Yes. What color would I want? But for some reason, I'm into dark colors, to be honest. I'm not into like anything big. Like, I'm into dark colors. So if I was to like paint our bedroom, I honestly think it's either like, if my husband would let me, I would like something I would like something like black, like a black theme with like a little bit of red, you know. You say, yeah, like, you know, something like that. What's your favorite song right now? My favorite song right now. What's my favorite song right now? Honestly, lately I've been listening to everything. I don't listen. When people ask me for a favorite song right now, I really don't have a favorite song because I'm very into everything. Like, I don't even have like a genre of music that I can actually say, hey, this is my thing. No, I'm do. But honestly, my new favorite song, it hasn't even came out on YouTube. My brother-in-law, his music video is coming out for this song. Yes, I'm loving this music. Me and my hubby jamming to that. We were listening, you know, we got a little glimpse in there, you know. Niwe wena shate. Niwe wena kuze. After the next topic, I know I don't have the voice to sing. That's why it's made for other people, not for me. But listen, once the music video come out, y'all gonna see me jamming to it on. So don't worry, I'm already. Don't worry, once it come out. And I don't think I said the right words, but part of it was. But anyways, on to the next question. What are your biggest regrets from last year? Do I have regrets? No, honestly. Like, last year was, oh my god, last year we had a lot going on. Last year, with the grace of God, we were blessed with a lot of things. We were blessed with a lot of things, especially with the birth of our daughter. My beautiful daughter. Okay, I know it hurts a lot, but still, my child is beautiful. Oh, he's the most beautiful girl out there. the birth, oh my goodness, I've never imagined how much little, like how much, okay, yeah, I love my husband very, very much, but when you have a child, it's a whole different type of love, okay? It's a word, it's the kind of love that you can't really explain type of thing, because it's like, bro, touch my child, okay? Touch my child, and I'm ready to listen, I will go to war for this little girl, okay? Listen. I feel like once my daughter goes to school, I'm gonna be one of the parents that's I mean, if she's in trouble and all that, we're all gonna discipline her. But listen, if anybody wants to bully my child, I'm showing up our school. I don't care. I'm gonna show up our school. I will fight that child myself, okay? But listen, last year was just, both of our child, first time homeowners, it was a lot of blessings. It was a lot of blessings, and 2022 is gonna be more, even more, okay, even more. With the grace of God, we are gonna achieve, other things that we want to achieve. I can answer that questions. No, I don't have any regrets. Okay, I don't have any regrets. And now, if there was any up and down in 2021, I mean, things happen for a reason. Who am I to question God? Things. Because honestly, I feel like some stuff happened because some things happen in our life to help with our growth. Okay, so and also to learn from it. And I felt like every good and bad thing that has ever happened to my life, I've learned a lesson from it. So listen, there's no regrets. There's no regrets because I'm one of those people that believe that there's no way something bad will happen to me, or there's no way something will go wrong in my life without God, without God allowing that to happen. He's the only one that can determine this. He's the only one that can determine what happens in my life. Okay, so I feel like sometimes He allows certain things to happen in our lives so that it can help us with our growth and also better ourselves. So hey, listen. Alrighty. Who are your girl best friends? Yeah. Good questions, because honestly, I really don't. I mean, I post my friends time to time, but listen, my girl best friends. Oh my goodness, it has to be Angelique. Sweet man, Angelique, wait. Kubarukure ya hanbele. Guys, no, me and this girl has been together. We have been together since the refugee camps. Okay. Listen, we have been together since the refugee camps, okay? Our parents were close friends. I mean, they still are close friends. So we really grew up together. Oh my goodness, we got married around the same time. Oh my God, we had kids around the same time. We both have beautiful daughters. And honestly, we really hope they keep the generation friendship going, because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful to have that person in my life that's been there for the longest. And now let's not forget Anastasia Bukuru. Sis, bro, I would not understand the way I was obsessed with this woman when I was pregnant. When I was pregnant with my daughter, this is the thing that people don't understand. When you're pregnant, people were annoying. Everybody used to annoy me, including my mother. She used to. I used to go for weeks without talking to my mother. Okay, no, I will go for days without talking to my mother, but she will check in. She will be calling me, so I will have to pick up. But But let me tell you, you guys don't understand. If Bukuru don't pick up, if Anastasia does not pick up her phone, oh my god. By the time she picks up, y'all know how pregnant women be out there. Oh my god. My friend, thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness, let's not even forget Alice. It's Alice for all the laughters, for all like, oh my god, there's a lot of things to be appreciated. Like honestly, Alice, Evelyn, oh my god, the three of you guys honestly are one of the big things. Okay, one of the big things that happened in 2020. Okay, because around the time when I went to my friend's wedding, we were in the same group. We actually got to meet. You know, some of you I knew you when you guys back home, but we hadn't really spoken, like so we met at the wedding, got to know ourselves. This is 2020, got to know ourselves, okay? And literally, like y'all know the rest. Y'all know the rest. We have kept in contact with each other. Like, listen, and one thing I really appreciate about my friends, it's not even the fact that like, it's not even the fact that they are there when you need them. Okay, that's a big thing. Okay, but one other thing that I appreciate about them is the fact that they're very honest. They're gonna give it to me really real and raw, and that's what I look for in a friendship too. That's literally what I look for in a friendship. I'm looking for that kind of girl that's not afraid to tell me when I'm wrong and be like, call me out, bro, call me out, sit me aside, be like, hey, baby girl, this and that and this and this and this and this and that. That was wrong. Okay, listen. Honesty. I'm looking for honesty. Okay, I don't know why it's so hard to find people that are very honest these days. It's like they're just there for the benefits, for the things that they benefit from you. Like, so I'm looking for that honesty. Now we don't talk all the time because all of us are busy. All of us are busy. We have jobs, we have other things, we have relationships. But when we do talk, it always feels really organic. It really always feels as if there was no it feels really organic, and it doesn't feel like we have not been talking for a long time. Okay, it's one of those friendships that just flows, even with the long distance and everything. Not having girl hangouts and everything, it works. Okay, and I really appreciate this girl. Honestly, I really appreciate these girls. All these girls. And yes, guys, those are my best friends. Not forget my twin sister before she come and beat me up. Let me not forget Josephine, baby called Josephine. You already know you're my twin, my everything. And the rest is history. Next question. What was your favorite subject in high school? Oh my god, my favorite subject in high school was honestly math. I loved math, and then I did also enjoy science, but I honestly did not enjoy I only enjoyed biology because I only enjoy biology because we got to dissect a lot of things, and I'm one of those people that's very into let's open this thing. I don't get sick from those things. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Your favorite TV show. Okay. My favorite TV show has got to be right now. Do I have any favorite TV show right now? No, because I haven't really been watching TV shows, to be honest. Lately, I've mostly been into reading my books. Okay, reading my books. But if I had to say what my favorite TV show is, my all-time favorite TV show, it's gonna have to be Criminal Minds. Okay. Anybody that knows me knows how much I love Criminal Minds, okay? Dr. Reed, I know I is married, but Dr. Reed, listen, I'll see if JJ don't want you. If JJ don't want you, I can be your boost. Oh my god, guys, don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me, don't mind me. But nah, like Criminal Minds is my all-time favorite TV show, and I'm in love like Dr. Reed, like the character Dr. Reed. Oh my goodness, I'm very fond of him. I find him to be very I find him to be very like I find him to be very handsome, okay? I find him to be very handsome. I'm very, very much, I love his nerd side. Now, do I also love Morgan? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Especially when he says baby girl. Let's say when he does the baby girl. Okay. Baby girl. Okay, when he do baby girl with Penelope. Listen, sis, that been wanting me to like go in there and play Penelope, okay? Now, I know the seasons are over, but I really wish they would still like bring up some more episodes, because honestly, they honestly really did like such a great job in that TV show. I was very in love. You know, I was feeling the emotions when I was watching the TV show. I was feeling the emotions when I was watching the TV show. Oh my god. There's one more question, but I'm just like, I don't want to do it because I know it's my brother that asked this question. I know it's one of my siblings. He says, one of my brother actually, which brother is your favorite? Look at me. Let's look at each other. I mean, honestly, I think Moon is the one that asked this question. Let me tell you, none of you. If I had to pick my favorite brother, honestly, I like all of you guys. There's pros and cons to it. I love all of you guys. I can't really choose and have a favorite. That's it. I love all of you guys. Guys, this is all. I'm going to stop right there. Like, I'm honestly going to stop right here. It's just all. That's it for the video, the Get to Know Me video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more contacts, because we are coming in, and we are coming in very, very, very strong. Okay? All right. Bye.